Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. I am going to do a project share for the felt book that I'm creating for my daughter. If you've been following this channel, I have shown a couple instances in the collaborations I've taken part of this past year, the pages that I'm creating for my daughter's quiet book. So I just need to do the back page, and also have another page to finish off this quiet book, and that's what I want to share. In my last project share, I actually showed this page without the pocket, but I decided to use this page and create a pocket in it so that I can have this page to be like the very first one besides this one that she sees. Because when she opens the book, she sees this page first, and then she sees this one on the right hand side. So I created a castle. I made it so that the castle can come off if she wants. She wants to have it come off. Yeah, it's just attached with this in the back, so she can take it off as she pleases and move it to her desk or wherever. And then I just made these little pieces, and it's supposed to be like bushes, like shrubbery. I actually might just take a few back, only because there is a lot. So there's that. And then there is a carriage, which had more parts attached to this, but because when this was being cut out with my Cricut Maker, it was so thin, like the lines were so thin, they just fell apart when I was taking it off the mat. In fact, you could see it here. I decided just to glue everything down together because this was so thin and frail. So, and I know, honestly, I think I may have to recut this again anyway, because again, some of those parts are like really frail. And my daughter, she's only 3, and she'll probably rough this up a bit, and we'll need to have a new one, or she may lose it altogether. Same with the horse. The legs here, the tail here are very frail, it's very thin, and I can definitely see her pulling on it and just ripping the legs off. So I think what I'll do is probably use another image, a horse image, so that it's not so frail. And then this princess, so cute, I love it. So it's just supposed to be her clothes. I really like the way this came out. So adorable. So cute. So she can wear this, change her clothes when as she pleases. Again, this is really frail, so I expect this to be kind of messed up shortly after she receives it. But that's okay. I have a lot of felt that I can use to help create this for her. So then when she's done, she can just put this in the pocket. And that's the end of that. I did find my acetate. So I did put some acetate in here. I just got to print out a picture of her. And then I did the same thing on this one. Got some acetate. It's to say my family, and there'll be a picture of us. So this is what it will look like when she opens up the book. Let me put this all right here. She opens up. There's gonna be something here. It's gonna be vinyled onto this. So and she opens it up. She sees the castle. She sees this puzzle. She sees the hands to count. She sees the 2 trees, and there's things in the back, and I'll make sure to link the other project shares she can pull out. I'll link to the other project shares I have on my channel, so you can see how these operate, how these pages operate, how they work. Got this cute scene here with the fish. And then the next page would be this last page, and she could get practice on getting buttons threaded through the buttonhole, which she doesn't know how to do yet. She can zip up pants, but she doesn't know how to do the buttons. And then that will be the end of it. So there are, let's see, 1, 2, well, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, including the fronts, the backs of the pages here. So 12 pages. She'll have plenty of time to review and just enjoy what I created for her. My next project share will be about the binding of these. So that will be very interesting. I'm going to try a new method in binding these. I probably will do something very similar to how I bind paper books. So look for that video. Until next time, thanks. I'll see you soon.